qualitative definition, qualitative in a sentence, qualitative pronunciation, qualitative meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of qualitative. Qualitative. Qual-i-ta-tive. Qualitative. Qualitative as an adjective means data relating to categorical variables, or informational and descriptive, but using words more than numbers. Common usages in academic writing: the qualitative data, the qualitative results, a qualitative study, a qualitative description. Example sentences: qualitative, adjective. The collection of qualitative data often requires meticulous journaling. Example sentence number 2. The 2012 qualitative study showed stark generational differences. Please write a sentence using qualitative in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know the pronunciation of qualitative, the meaning of qualitative, and qualitative example sentences. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next research paper word video.